go.
All right, now we're off. Both alliances with active hubs in this first 20 seconds. We got blue shooting. We got 10-118 going crazy on the red alliance side with those fuel. And they're going to suspend off the first level. And they're in. All right. Here we go. Blue Alliance is getting ready to transition over to an active hub. Blue Alliance is now active. They're shooting. 8818 launching. Red Alliance is getting ready to start up here in a few seconds. Blue Alliance gathering fuel. And now Red Alliance is active. Human players are launching. Here comes Blue Alliance with their active hub. And 8818 getting ready to launch. Getting a couple of fuel in there. We're getting into a transition back to the Red Alliance active hub. Okay, some defense by 5427 on 10-118. Human players starting to launch for the Red Alliance. And we're getting to the final 30 seconds of the match. Both hubs are active. Human players are still scoring for Red Alliance. And time.
Congratulations, Red Alliance.
All right, everyone, while we're on a break and resetting for the next